Hey there, it's Ryan Chan, your guide to the world of industrial maintenance strategies. In today's episode, we're going to unlock the secrets to successful maintenance and reliability in your operations. We'll navigate through the various approaches available and help you decide which one is the best fit for your company. So, if you're part of a team that's responsible for the care and upkeep of crucial high-budget equipment, this is the video for you. Let's get started. Today, we're going to dive into the world of maintenance strategies. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team in an industrial facility, you know that your equipment and machinery are a significant part of your company's budget. So it's crucial to provide them with the proper care and upkeep. But with so many different approaches available, how do you choose the right one? Let's explore this together. First, let's clarify what we mean by maintenance. In the context of an industrial setting, maintenance refers to tasks that aim to preserve the condition of the equipment. The ultimate goal is to reduce breakdowns and promote overall reliability. This can be achieved by increasing equipment uptime and availability and maximizing the potential life cycles of assets. Now let's talk about the different types of maintenance strategies. First up, we have breakdown maintenance. This is a reactive approach that kicks into action when a piece of equipment fails. It's all about fixing a broken part. There are two main reasons a facility might need to perform breakdown maintenance. The first is to service equipment from an unplanned breakdown, which can cause significant lost productivity and even safety risks. The other reason is purposely running a part until it fails, which is typically done with disposable parts, easy-to-replace consumables, and assets that are not economical to repair. Next, we have corrective maintenance. Think of this as an extension of breakdown maintenance. It's still reactive, but the goal isn't to wait for a total failure. Instead, corrective maintenance often results from the findings of an unrelated inspection or any other concerning observation. Then we have preventive maintenance, which is a proactive approach that aims to service equipment before any deterioration occurs. This includes routine cleaning, repairs, replacements, and inspections. There are two main types of preventive maintenance: calendar-based maintenance, which sets up activities based on a predetermined recurring schedule, and usage-based maintenance, which initiates maintenance activities based on a certain number of cycles or reading intervals. A more advanced approach is predictive maintenance. This strategy uses sensors and measuring devices to collect data, which is then used to predict when servicing tasks need to be executed. Examples of predictive maintenance techniques include vibration analysis and infrared analysis. Then there's prescriptive maintenance, a strategy that combines predictive maintenance with the computing power of advanced analytics. This approach not only predicts potential failure modes, but also offers recommendations for the most appropriate countermeasures. Finally, we have reliability-centered maintenance. This strategy acknowledges that each piece of equipment may require a specific and targeted approach. It evaluates all viable options to arrive at the most optimal route, taking into account factors like failure modes, contributions to productivity, and anticipated failure patterns. So how do you choose a maintenance strategy? It's a business decision that weighs the benefits of a selection against its costs. A criticality assessment can be a valuable tool to help you decide. This type of analysis applies to several categories, including safety, production, and maintenance costs. In conclusion, while it can be a challenging task to perform maintenance effectively and cost-efficiently, there is a broad range of strategies available to cater to your needs. Remember, the goal is to preserve the condition of your equipment, reduce breakdowns, and promote overall reliability. Thank you for watching this episode of the Upkeep video series. We've covered a lot today, from breakdown maintenance to reliability-centered maintenance, and how to choose the right strategy for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies. For more information, please visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.